You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce this letter. How do you say it? It's commonly found in Norse languages, Norwegian, Swedish, for example. It is said as ö. That's exactly the same sound as in French. Ö, found in the word bleu, for example. Ö, you'll find it in German. It's an O with an umlaut on it. Ö, as öffnen in German. So this is how you say the letter Ö. Ö is how you pronounce it. And now you know more videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations. Like this video if you found it useful, it helps me immensely. Thanks for your support and thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.